Hey, how you doing, Jake?
I'm doing okay. How are you?
I'm doing good, buddy. This is Antonio. I got your number from Craig.
Yes, sir. And I got your number from Craig.
So why would you want to sell a beautiful house like that for?
Well, we moved out of the house we moved
Okay.
and renting it seems like we're only going to make like $40 a month on it, and it's kind of dicey with even getting a renter in there.
Yep.
And we're 7 hours away, and I really don't want to have to rent it.
Yeah. Yeah, well, yeah, in that neighborhood there, you might can get 1,600, 1,700, maybe a stretch of 18 if it's, a little bit more updated. But yeah, you 100% correctly. But I was told about the house a little while ago. So I'm looking to purchase the house up to. So I'm pretty sure Craig, them guys, done spoke to you about that. Done explain everything from some due on sale clause to paying the mortgages every month, the house staying in your name. You didn't have any issues with that?
I do not.
Okay. Because usually deals like this, I got tons of these properties around Shreveport and Bossier, and we take care of these properties. And what we do, I got a rent to own program that I run, and I got a website as well that I can send to you. And what it does is that we help people become homeowners. And sometimes we run across properties like this where, it's just a good fit for a potential buyer. And we have them work with our lenders, and we have them come in and, and do what they got to do and rent the property out until we're able to sell it sometime down the road. But Craig, but when I talked to Craig, I told him I just wanted to speak with you. I want to speak with the seller because you are the title holder of the house, and just wanted to make sure that everything was good on your end. You didn't have any questions. You didn't have no concerns. So that's why I wanted to reach out.
I've got none. Originally we were going to rent it out for $1,800 because we have that standby generator.
Yep.
There. Mm-hmm. So any renter would move in and say, I don't have to worry about anything. So that was kind of like where, in my mind, even the leasing agent was possibly even thinking we could probably get 18 for it.
Yeah.
But then it was just like, there's a lot to have to deal with.
Yep.
Between here and there,
And Craig, I'm gonna be honest with you. I done this 1,000 times, and the things that you was gonna have to overcome is that once something happened to the house, you was gonna have to pay for it. Whether it's a plumbing issue, electrical issue, you was gonna have to pay for it. And you talking about a house that you're really not making that much cash flow from, and that's kind of tight. That's kind of tight. So yeah, so I think you made the right decision. But also, Craig said that you bought another property as well.
Yes, we're closing tomorrow.
Okay, so how did they do that with this property? Did they count that against your debt to income ratio?
They counted it as we were going to rent it. Like there were buyers was there in the local area, and he was good. Like me and this guy. And phone calls, and he was going to move forward.
Wow.
Answer some more questions, and then he just up and go.
I know. Yeah, I know him.
Yeah. And then it was like last minute, like we're talking about the day before we're supposed to leave for Oklahoma. Like he's like, "Oh, sorry, it took so long to get back with you. I've been busy." I'm like, holy crap, dude.
Wow. Okay. Well, hopefully we don't have that issue. I just wanted to speak with you, and we're going to get this closed out at my title company downtown. I don't know if you ever dealt with them. He's the attorney. So I don't know if you ever dealt with them, but they pretty much close all of these out. And since you guys are in Oklahoma, they'll have to do a mobile closing for you guys. Just send the documents to you in the mail. You just sign, and that should be it. And also, you would have to do a power of attorney as well. I don't know if Chris told you about that. Only for the house. For nothing else. Just the house and the mortgage. That's it. And that just gives us the right to call the mortgage company, making the adjustments that we have to make.
Okay. I do know there's a clause in there for that the current mortgage is assumable at our current interest rate. I don't know if that's even an important
No, it's not. It's not. It's going to stay exactly where it is, at fixed rate at 6.25, I think. It's going to stay exactly that. We're not going to touch it. Also, your mortgage is through Freedom. I got a number of properties with Freedom. No, I got yeah, I got a number. So I already done dealt with those people a number of times. So they're easy to get along with. Never had a problem. Never. So the only thing I would need here, if you don't mind, I would just need the login information to the mortgage online account. That's it. I'm gonna need that as soon as possible.
I can get you that right now once I need my tablet. That's on my tablet.
I'm gonna text you over my company information in my email as well, so that you can have all of that information. I mean, just in case we have to speak once or twice a year, but I doubt it. I doubt it. So yeah, that's all I need. I just need the login information. That's it, and we'll keep you posted on closing date and all those things, so we can get that done, so we can start servicing the note. Now, I will say this here: are you guys able to pay one more mortgage note since July is coming up?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's see. I can tell. I've been doing bi-weekly on it.
Okay.
I think the next one's actually supposed to come out, or already has come out. The half, and I can't remember. I have to look at my account to see what. But if you text me your information, or just email it to, or whatever you want to do.
I'm about to text it to you, Jake. I'm about to text it to you, and you just email over all the information. But definitely, if you guys can just take care of that the month of July, since we pushed it up on the wall there of July, then after that it should be good to go.
Okay.
All right. Hey, anything, you got my personal number. You can call or text me anytime, buddy.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Wow. Good guy. He's a seller who had a property, and I'm pretty much coming in to take over this property, which is at a it's at a 6.2 interest rate. But that's fine. And it's in a great A+ neighborhood. And this neighborhood is an awesome place to be. No HOA. That's even better. And what he owned a house compared to what I'm selling for is like, it's a big $35,000-$40,000 equity that I'm going to get once I sell the property. Now, I'm not going to make any money cash flow on this property, which I don't care to make any money cash flow on the property. What I care is by getting someone in there that's going to pay down the mortgage, and when they cash out 2, 3, 4, 5 years from now, I'm going to get that spread in between. So I play the long game, guys. This is the long game of real estate. It's not a sprint, it's a marathon. So I'm pretty much going to invest in the property, which I'm not going to put a dime into it. I don't have a dime into this property. Even the wholesaler is going to get paid from my tenant buyer. So the money that they're bringing to the table is going to take care of the wholesaler. Okay. So at the end of the day, I'm in this deal with zero money and have opportunity within the next 60 months from now to get anywhere from a $30,000 to a $50,000 check for this property. A crazy payday, people. And that's why you gotta love real estate. But here's the thing. A deal like this, a lot of people wouldn't have the guts to do because they don't have any cash flow. But sometimes, guys, it's about the principle of getting a deal done. If the numbers don't pencil this way, can I make some money on the back end? So at the end of the day, I tell people, think about this. If you go out there and get a mortgage on a property, that means you're negative $100,000 for that mortgage. It's the same thing. You're not going to make any money until you pay that mortgage off, and then you start to make big time profits. This is the same thing, but the deal different with this. I don't have any money in this deal, but this deal is still a good deal, but it's going to be happening more long term. So guys, understand that when you're dealing with sub-2 properties, that's a cost, that's a risk. Like the seller just said, he understands the do on sale clause, keep the mortgage in his name. I mean, all those things. Once you can get past those elements, everything else is sky's the limit. So think about getting into real estate, people. This is what you need to do. You want to definitely get off that couch, get off the porch, and go do something. Take action. Do it today. And you gotta just learn this. So give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up in this video here. If you like the video and you like hearing from the seller's mouth on something just like this, give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment. I'm here to answer any question you guys have about subject to or anything real estate related. Put a comment in the comment section, and most importantly, subscribe, guys. Subscribe to the channel so you can be the first to get these videos. See what I'm doing? Real life properties. Not just talking about it, giving you real life phone conversation, real life deeds that we're doing. Hey man, this real estate thing is special, guys. Very special. You guys have a blessed day. Bye-bye. All right, guys, as you can see, that was a good conversation with a potential seller of a property that I took over subject to. Now, I did go on to take over this property, and it was pretty awesome. With this property here, I was pretty much able to clear anywhere between $25,000 to $30,000 on the property that I didn't do any work to. And I actually, at this point, I done sold that house to another tenant buyer. But as you can see, that was the conversation. I went over a lot of details inside that call because I wanted to make sure the seller and I was on the same page, because this deal was brought to me from another agent. And I wanted to make sure that things were explained to them when they come to do on sales clause, the mortgage still stays in their name, all these types of things that people sometimes just don't know that's going to happen. So I wanted to cover all those things. So as you can see, that caller was happy to have sold the house. He had it with someone else before. They kind of ghosted him because I'm pretty sure that person did not know how to handle this type of situation, but I came in and got it done. So there you go, guys. Hey, that's a bird's eye view on how to handle a conversation. It wasn't a script, came straight off the dome, but just how you handle a conversation when you're dealing with a potential substitute property. So finally, but not least, for you guys out there, you want to be a buyer of one of our Poppa Homes houses that we flip, and you be one of the first ones to be a part of our program to get you into one of these properties. I have an ebook here, which is a 9-page, the Poppa Home First Time Home Buyer Manual there. You can get it. It's down here inside the description. It pretty much have a 9 pages to show you how to get approved for a mortgage if you don't know how to get approved for the mortgage, and it has the link that goes to our list of properties that we have available. So take advantage of that. I always tell people, get a part of this program, because once we finish properties, you be the first one in line to get this property before they even hit the market. But if we don't give it to one of our own members of the Poppa Homes membership club there, then bingo, we put it on the market and we sell it to someone else. But get it, it's right here inside the description, the Poppa Home First Time Home Buyer Manual. Get it. It's perfect, guys, to get it. So don't forget to also like the video, and subscribe, and let's do deals. Bye-bye.